Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the Arrive Upper Kirby in Houston, Texas, and we're at their fitness center. So let's take a look at it. It's actually pretty cool. First of all, I love the curved parts of it. It's a really cool looking fitness center. There's also quite a lot of equipment. So there's kind of two lanes here. You can see them. You've got some, looks like some ellipticals over here. You've got some treadmills over there. You've got weights over there. And then you've got some machines over here. So for arms and legs, these kind of machines are over here. You've got plenty of machines. You've also got this lawn outside. So you've got this exercise lawn that's pretty cool. So you can get some sophisticated things, done out there too. So it's a really good fitness facility, I think, as well. Also, across the street over here, there is a separate room. I just did want to show that to you too. That's over here. That's a spin and stretch room. So it's kind of a specialized private room that's here. And this is what it looks like. So it's got 3 spin bikes. You can put a program up there and just, and there's an echelon over there. Very, very cool. So anyway, some pretty good fitness facilities here. Actually, very good at the Arrive Upper Kirby. If you have any questions, send me a text as always. Use the number below.